Hello everybody, I'm Ciaccio and today we have a look at the Concerto di Bravura by Giovanni Bottesini. Although it is known as the Concerto number 3, this is the first concerto written by Giovanni Bottesini because it was written in 1841 and so before the two concertos, the B minor or F sharp. His name, di Bravura, meaning that it's very difficult, so there are a lot of tricky passages and a lot of notes, technical moments, and in this tutorial I'm trying to show you the most difficult part and to give an idea of how to study and how to approach this beautiful concerto. The concerto starts with a quite short piano introduction, and after 13 bars, beginning of a double bass part. And in the score there is written a piacere, literally as you want, but it's not really as you want. I will show you. This is an arpeggio, and if you play exactly the rhythm written, there is not music inside. So you have to find the way to produce music is written like this. But it's kind of seem understudy, not music. So you have to find an approach, your way of approaching the music. But you have to find the notes in which you have to stop to give an idea of music, of bel canto style. So one approach can be like this. And then there is the musical moment. Take a rest. And then the same in D major, scordatura E major. It's similar to the one we have just done, so not with the metronome. Because it's not music, so and then take a breath, and then so the difficulty is this: to make the notes with the right intonation and not make only notes. We can make this moment but we can make it with music.